Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Clearbit enrichment with AI lead scoring automation, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Clearbit account. Navigate to the API section in your account settings. Generate your API key if you haven't done so already. Next, log into your CRM platform where you want to integrate Clearbit. Access the settings or integrations section of your CRM. Look for the option to add a new integration or connect with Clearbit. Enter the API key you generated earlier. Save the integration settings. Now, go to the lead scoring section of your CRM. Create a new lead scoring model if one does not already exist. Define the criteria for scoring your leads. Include attributes like job title, company size, and industry. Ensure that Clearbit's enrichment features are enabled within your scoring model. Map the Clearbit data fields to your CRM's lead attributes. Next, set the scoring thresholds for your leads. Determine what qualifies as a high-quality lead versus a low-quality lead. Once your scoring model is set, activate it to begin scoring leads automatically. Now, test the integration by importing a sample lead. Check if the Clearbit enrichment data populates correctly within your CRM. Monitor the lead scoring results over the next few days. Adjust the scoring parameters as necessary based on the feedback you receive. Finally, review your workflow to ensure everything is functioning as intended. You're now ready to leverage Clearbit enrichment with AI lead scoring for your sales process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.